Let's check out if we can use HDMI cable on OPPO Reno 15. So over here I have my USB-C to HDMI cable, which is currently connected to my TV. And usually if you connect such a cable or adapter or something similar to a phone, and if it supports HDMI cable, then we can see a confirmation. Your phone should ask you if you want to start casting this screen. But in this case, as you can see, it doesn't work. The only thing we have is that we are trying to charge the connected device, which is not the intended, of course, result. So in this case, it seems that the answer is unfortunately no. OPPO Reno 15 does not support HDMI cable. And let me also show you how does it look like if the phone supports it. So in this case, I have another OPPO phone, and if I connect it, then we should see, there we go, a question whether we want to start casting this screen or not, which of course is not what happens on OPPO Reno 15. So unfortunately the answer is no. Leave a like and subscribe.